This is my new Ryobi soldering iron that I replaced my Radio Shack one with. That store's out of business now, so somebody in the Ryobi lineup, I decided to get this product. It heats up really quick. I had it on half setting, wet inside to wet the sponge, came back and it was green already. I'm just going to use it to extend this cable, and it's really apparent right away how convenient it is. In my case, I don't have to bring the extension cord all the way up the ladder, but more importantly, it's nice to use it inside cars, if you're doing radio work, electrical, stuff like that. One of the first projects I did with this was actually fixing a parking light wire for a friend that got chewed on by some sort of rodent. I was able to bring this outside, didn't have to drag around any cords, and it was done within a couple minutes. So I feel like I'll be using this more and more often, and I think you would too. It has a temperature range from 400 to 900 Fahrenheit. Came with several tips, well, 2 in my case. Just using the default one, and some sample solder, which I don't have here. Excuse the really bad soldering skills. It's not the ideal setup, but it does work. And again, you can control the temperature if it's not hot enough after tinning. I don't think there's too much to say. I'm sure there's been a lot of reviews done on this, but this is just a quick real world example of how I'm using it and how much more convenient it is instead of dragging around the long extension cord. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see with this, but I think it's pretty straightforward.